Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I uploaded first 2 weeks of October month current affairs notes, guys. So note down and revise every day. So this was the 1 to 15th date of October current affairs notes. So first in topic wise, first we go to the ranks topic. In ranks topic, overall 5 ranks are there in first 2 weeks of October current affairs. So first one is Digital Quality of Life Index 2021 is released, and in this report top country was Denmark and our India's rank is 59th. And the second one is IIFL Wealth Hurun India Rich List, and this list top person was Mukesh Ambani Reliance Industries person. And third one is Bloomberg Billionaire Index. So in this index top person was Elon Musk. So on next, Forbes India Rich List also released. In this list also Mukesh Ambani top. And last one is Henley's Passport Index 2021. In this report, in this index, top countries are Japan and Singapore. And our India's rank is last year, it means 2020th year, it's 82nd rank, guys. But now in 2021, six six ranks below, so it's 90th rank. And next we go to the sports section. In sports section, Sania Mirza and Sue Jiang wins 2021 Ostrava Open Women's Double title, and FC Goa wins Maiden Durand Cup, and Magnus Carlsen won first Meltwater Champions Chess Tour, and Valtteri Bottas wins Turkish Grand Prix, and Anshu Malik first Indian woman to win silver at the WWC. So this is sports section. And in October month, Nobel Prize is also released, guys. So awarded. So overall 5 categories. So first one is the Nobel Prize in Medicine and Nobel Prize in Physics and Chemistry and Peace Prize and also Economic Science. So this is very very important, guys. Any one of these 5 questions is in our mains examinations, both PO and clerk. So concentrate it. So first one is David Julius and Adem Patapoutian. So both are from America. Wins the Nobel Prize in Medicine. So for this medicine prize, so discovery of receptors for temperature and touch. So for this category, both these are awarded for Nobel Prize in Medicines. And second one is Saikuro Manabe and Klaas Hesselman and George Parisi. So win Nobel Prize in Physics. So category on complex physical systems. And third one is Benjamin List, he is from Germany, and David W.C. Macmillan, he is from British, win Nobel Prize in Chemistry on the category of asymmetric organocatalysis. So on fourth one is Maria Ressa, he is from Philippines, and Dmitry Andreyevich, he is from Russia, wins Peace Prize in on the category of to protect the freedom of expression. And fifth one is David Cott and Joshua D. Angrist. So the Guido W. Imbibo, who these three are wins in Economic Science 2021. So this is very very most important topic, guys. So don't neglect this. So the name of this, all these awardees are very difficult to revise, but it's very very important. And next our topic was obituaries. So there are total 3 persons. So first one is management guru Padma Shri Balachandran is passed away, and England's football World Cup winner and Liverpool striker Roger Hunt is also passed away, and Iran's first president Abul Basan Banisadr he is also passed away. And next, our topic is books and others. So Amitav Ghosh's book Jangil Nama, a story of Sundarban, and Ranjit Raj's book Kathmandu Dilemma, Resetting India-Nepal Ties, and third one is Sherry Rao, Gandhi's Political Economy, and fourth one is Ole Soyinka's Chronicles from the Land of the Happiest People on Earth, and Rajneesh Kumar, he is former SBI chairman, guys. So Rajneesh Kumar, The Custodian of Trust, and Sujit Sarkar, Quest for Stable Afghanistan, A View from the Ground Zero. So these are the authors, underlined persons, and these are the books. Next, our last topic is days. So the first October, International Day of Older Persons. So the theme of this person was digital equity for all ages, and in the whole month of October, one day is, guys, so that was breast cancer awareness month. So 1st October to 31st October, whole month breast cancer awareness month. And in first day there are some more days. First one is International Coffee Day and World Vegetarian Day and National Pension System Divas, and Blood Donation Day is also on 1st October. The theme of this blood donation day was give blood and keep the world beating. And next day was 2nd to 8th. So this is the week. This was Wildlife Week, and the theme of this week was forests and livelihoods sustaining people and planet. And second, in October 2nd, International Day of Non-Violence or Gandhi Jayanti, and World Day for Farmed Animals is also on 2nd October. And 4th October, World Animal Day, and 4th October to 10th October, World Space Week Day. And one more day in 4th October, that was World Habitat Day. The theme of this day was Accelerating Urban Action for a Carbon-Free World. And 5th October, World Teachers Day. And in 7th October, United Nations World Cotton Day. This is very, very important, guys. The theme of this Cotton Day was Cotton for Good. And in 8th October, 89th Indian Air Force Day, and 9th October, World Migratory Bird Day. The theme of this day was Sing, Fly, Soar Like a Bird. So this was theme. And next, in 9th October, Old Post Day. The theme of this day was Innovative to Recover. And one more day, guys, that was Old Migratory Bird Day. It was on 9th October. And Old Hospice and Palliative Care Day is also on 9th October. The theme of this day was Leave No One Behind, Equity in sorry guys, access to palliative care. And in 9th October, there is one day that was 72nd Rising Day of Territorial Army. And in 10th October, World Mental Health Day. The theme of this day was Mental Health Care for All, Let's Make It a Reality. And in 10th October, Day Against Death Penalty is also, guys. And in 11th October, International Day of the Girl Child. The theme of this day was Digital Generation, Our Generation. And 12th October was World Arthritis Day. So this is all the days in first 2 weeks of October, guys. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you.